channel. Today it gives me great pleasure to be able to announce the winner of the Dragon Scale Bowl that we made a couple of weeks ago. Now at the time I didn't refer to it as the Dragon Scale Bowl, but it was the kind of working title that we had for the bowl up until it was released. Quite a few people in the comments below suggested as well that it should be called the Dragon Bowl or the Dragon Scale Bowl, so from now on we shall always refer to this one as the Dragon Scale Bowl. Right, over the last, since we've done the last giveaway, we've had 14 videos and they've all been doing absolutely fantastic, and I can't believe the amount of support and goodwill that's coming from all the viewers. And I wouldn't do it if I didn't love this job, and the way people react to the videos and the comments people leave as well just makes everything far more worthwhile than you can ever imagine. So thank you all for doing your part. It's a two-way street. You give feedback, I make changes, and we move forward and hopefully continue to improve. So anyway, before I start to cry again, on to the winner. At the moment I do not know who the winner is. What I'll be doing in a second is sitting behind my computer, choosing a winner, or letting a piece of software from the internet choose a winner from the last 14 videos, and those 14 names will go into a random list generator, and then one will be chosen at random to win this bowl. So in a second I shall be stopping this camera, going into the office, and you'll pick up again looking at my computer screen as we choose the winner. Apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching, and right, we'll swap over to inside. Okay, it's time to choose our winner. We're just using a random picker that's easily found on the internet. This one is from randomlists.com, and all we're going to do is paste in our list of winners from the last 14 videos. Replace the default settings here. This is our list of winners, one taken from each of the last 14 videos. So we have Vinnie Marshall, the Hampshire Woodturner, Deborah Culbertson, Firegirl, William Weaver, Larry Harrowitz, Spindle's Workshop, Joe Missinelli, Steve from London, Lauren Smith, Richard Chadburn, JT Lee, Woody's Rustic Woodwork, and Zombie Woodturner. So we're on random picker. As soon as I click this return button here, the winner's name will replace where it says thing 1. Okay, so good luck everybody. Thank you much indeed for your support. And the winner is JT Lee. There we are. JT, thank you very much indeed for your support. Well done. You have won the Dragon Scale Bowl. If you get in touch with me, I'll make sure it's all safely packaged up and sent out to you as soon as I can. Everybody else, thank you very much indeed for taking part. The other people on this list, sorry you weren't lucky this time, but if you send me your details, email me, then I'll put a sticker in the post to you or something like that. But apart from that, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.